Hey guys, welcome back to A Crispy Area, and today we are doing another unboxing video. And before you click out of this video, because you remember the last one I did, we never talk about that one. I forgot what I was talking about. Okay, yeah, you may be asking, Crispy, why is there a freaking bag covering up half of the screen? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because you already know, if you read the thumbnail, I'm unboxing what I got today. It is a 20th anniversary Pikachu. It's skin disease Pikachu. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing it, but first, there's words in the pack we must read. Now you can just admire it while I read it. If I mumble, this is why from reading it, because it's hard to speak on camera. The red patches on the Pikachu's cheek stir up electricity while it sleeps. It often delivers a zap when encountering something unfamiliar. Less Pochets Vogus Solas. Oh, it's in a different language. Pikachoooooo Melody. Yeah, it's all in a different language. Yeah, that's basically all. It's all in a different language. Oh, I thought that was more because I saw the back and it's like, oh god, it's gonna be that just have to read. And I'm like, no, oh crap, it's in a different language. Oh, damn. Oh, I would have made longer content then. I need to focus my camera. Okay, so I forgot the scissors to get it out.
Crispy was never himself after that scene. People say he's still upset about those scissors, but others say he's not because they watched the rest of the video.
Gotta be careful with the assassins. Okay, let's cut it out. I need to close my door because this. Let's cut it out. Oh god, I really don't want to damage it. It's so sad. I don't want to take it out of the box. I got curious. I bought because I got a $40 EV game gift card because of my birthday party. I think I killed it. Oh, now we can do this. I was gonna burn it. No, so I looked up and I just saw this beauty. I think it's limited edition. I didn't even know it was still like, oh no. No, it's gonna be hard. I don't want to break the box. Yes! I cut the sticky tape off. That was the problem. Yay! Oh no! Oh, the feet are still lined. Oh god damn it! I just wanna. Can I just unbox it like this? It all sits down. Oh god. Oh, that's better. That is better. See, on the bottom it has Pokemon. Oh, it's reversed. So it has Pokemon 25 Pikachu. So the rest of me were like, why does it say that? And we're thinking, oh, maybe it's Pokédex number. You have to be 3+ to do this. Oh crap. Let's see if I get it out anymore. Oh yes, more. Never thought taking this out of its box would be so hard. Oh yay! Nearly got it out. Nearly. This is just in his frame. Don't Master, please don't take me right from my throne. You must. Oh, seriously, why is this so hard? You can't get out of your phone. Stop playing. God, you even know Pokemon. Right now, I'm just trying to get this thing off his legs. It's up. Oh god, it's so hard. It's so hard to make sure you guys can see it. And I'm not sure if you heard that, but that was a pop. It's really hard making sure you guys can see it while I'm trying to unbox it. This is the hardest unboxing I've ever done. Ah! Look at this. Why did they put that there? Oh, Pikachoooo. I just want my Pikachoooo out. Oh, sweet. Skin disease, Pikachoooo. I don't care if you have a horrifying skin disease. You may turn into Deadpool, but I still love you, Pikachoooo. Ow. I stabbed myself. Ow, I did it again. Wait a minute. I think I just saw what I needed to do. The whole time you were able to push the feet out of the thing. No. Well, I got one out. The cat's snoring. Oh, it's alright out the camera. See, he's one foot stuck. He's probably gonna have to cut it off. He's stuck dead. He's losing circulation. Don't worry. It's completed. Now we're done. See, we got the box out. It was him. Here. Now, if you want to get this Pikachoooo for yourself, I got it from EB Games. It's only $48. Is it? Can you guys tell me in the comments? I should have kept the tag on. I'm regretting it. Well, yeah, that's all about it for this video. I'll probably I don't have anything else to tell you guys, but here it is. Yeah. Get off!